Good evening friends and teachers, I am Samyuktha Vijai and today I will be explaining about solubility. What is solubility? Solubility is the ability of a solute to dissolve in a solvent. Let's look at some factors that increase the rate of solubility. Let's look at the tools needed for our first experiment. A spoon, common salt, a glass of hot water called class A and a glass of cold water called class B. Let's start the experiment. First, take a spoon of common salt and put it into the hot water as well as the cold water. Let's find out which one dissolves first. As you can see, hot water increases the rate of solubility because it is dissolved first. Let me explain why. In the cold water, the intermolecular spaces will be a bit tight, but in the hot water, the intermolecular spaces are loosely packed, allowing the salt molecules to fit in between the molecules easily, hence dissolving faster. Let's look at the next factor that increases the rate of solubility. Let's start with the next activity, surface area. Let's find out why surface area increases the rate of solubility. Here I have rock salt and common salt. I also have 2 glasses of normal water. In the first glass, I am going to put some normal salt. And in the second glass, I am going to put some rock salt. Let's see which dissolves faster. As we can see, the glass with the common salt has dissolved completely. However, the glass with the rock salt has dissolved partially. Let me tell you why. The surface area of the common salt is completely exposed to the water molecules, whereas only the outer surface area of the rock salt is exposed to the water molecules. Hence, we can conclude that particles with higher surface area dissolve faster compared to particles with lesser surface area. Let's move on to the next activity, stirring. Let's see how stirring can increase the rate of solubility. I am going to add 1 spoon of common salt to each glass. I am going to stir 1 glass and leave the other one undisturbed. As you can see, the common salt has already started to dissolve in the water, whereas the salt in the other glass has not even started to dissolve. So, we can conclude that the solute is easily dissolved in the solvent when it is stirred. But why? Because when the mixture is stirred, the solute gets evenly distributed in the solvent, which increases the solubility. To summarize, the factors which increases the solubility are temperature, stirring and surface area. Thank you friends and teachers.